In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge columns in Power BI. If you want to combine information from multiple columns into a single column, Power BI makes that process quick and straightforward. This is especially useful when you're working with things like first and last names, addresses, category labels, or any data that makes more sense when it appears together in one field. I'll walk you through the full process clearly so you can follow along inside your own report. To begin, go to your data. Make sure you're looking at the table that contains the columns you want to combine. Once you're in the right place, click on your data so the correct table is selected. This matters because Power BI needs to know exactly which dataset you want to edit before you make any transformations. Next, go to the top of the screen and click Transform Data from the Home section. This opens Power Query, which is the area in Power BI where you can clean and reshape your data before using it in visuals and reports. If you're making structural changes like merging columns, this is the right place to do it. Once you're in Power Query, hold down the Control key on your keyboard and click each of the columns you'd like to merge. This lets you select more than one column at the same time. Be careful to click the columns in the order you want them combined because that order affects how the final merged result will appear. After selecting the columns, right-click on one of the highlighted column headers and choose Merge Columns. Power BI will then open the merge settings so you can define how the combined data should look. At this stage, you can name the new merged column. Choose a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to recognize later when building your report. You can also choose a separator to place between the values. For example, you might use a space, comma, dash, or another separator depending on how you want the final text to appear. This small setting can make your merged column much easier to read. Once you've done that, the columns will be merged into a new single column, and that's it. You've successfully combined your data in Power BI. If you want cleaner results, take an extra second to double-check your separator and column order before finishing, since those details make a big difference in the final output.